Hey guys, so I am going to show you the fastest, easiest 2-minute makeup that I've ever done. I've been doing this a lot lately when I literally just need to like go to the gas station, go to the bank, go grocery shopping, you know, random stuff. Like I don't really need a full face. And I thought it would be really helpful for you guys. So it literally is only these 5 products. Okay, so super simple, not a lot of products. So this basically, it's not gonna make you look like super flawless and amazing. It's more so of like a pick-me-up and just like, hey, I'm here, you know, I don't look completely dead. So first I'm going to use the Trish McAvoy Instant Eye Lift. And I like just putting that like that. Cute, right? And then I take a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to blend it in. So basically, this is just going to brighten the under eye area. It doesn't completely conceal dark circles. So sorry. I mean, I know that's that's something that a lot of people want to do, but for me, I'm like, as long as I kind of make the area look brighter and I'm not completely dead looking, then we're good. Yeah, I don't really wear this makeup look like when I'm actually doing jobs, like I have a full face on, even though it's a natural look. This is again more of like, let's just get ready and get out the door. Okay, and then let me get my eyelash curler real quick. So as you saw, that was pretty quick and easy, and this will probably be longer than 2 minutes since I am talking, but it's like super fast and easy, I swear. It's kind of fun. I'm trying something different. Okay, so Lancome mascara. I had gotten this free in an Influencer Vox box, so I'm using it, but honestly, it's just not my favorite. I feel like, oh, that's a really cute like angle right there. I do bottom and top. And like, you know, doesn't have to be super perfect. Just coat those lashes. But yeah, I'm not a fan of this mascara. I feel like lengthens, doesn't really volumize, kind of clumps, like clumps my lashes together. Doesn't really hold my curl either. So I wouldn't recommend this mascara, but I'm just using it because that's the one I have open. And I am not an advocate for opening several mascaras because they expire so quickly. So that's kind of that's the deal there. Okay, then I'm going to bronze my face a little bit just to kind of give me some warmth, some color. Pretend like I care about tanning. You know. So just quickly bronzing just a little bit, just like that. I feel like this angle is like not super cute, but it's the best setup that I can do like really quickly. And then I'm taking, this is an old MAC blush. It's like a really light color, so it's really super pretty. Not too much. Has a nice little added glow to it. Again, just give my face some life and some color. Okay, like that. I feel like, I don't know if you can really tell, honestly, but, and then I look towards the window because I want to make sure I'm even on both sides because the window is right there. So again, not the best angle, but I would recommend doing it like towards the window. Then lastly, I'm going to fill in my brows. Brows frame the face and brows make a big difference. So this is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. It's a universal brow pencil, and I've been using it for years and I absolutely love it. So we're just gonna, and with my brows, honestly, I have worked so hard to have a pretty good natural shape brow. So, like I fill them in, but I'm not one of those that takes like 20 minutes to fill in my brows. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not super duper difficult for me. I just kind of go with the natural shape that I've made and just kind of fill in the gaps make it all look even. And that's kind of it. So if you have tougher brows, this may be a tougher step for you, but I am #blessed, I guess. And then you take the other side, and I like to brush out, especially the first half, just so it doesn't look blocky. We don't like blocky brows over here. We like natural, nice, you know, fluffy looking brows over here. We're into looks that last, not super trends, you know what I mean? Oh, my mirror has a light on it too, isn't that cool? So it helps. Okay, so like literally that's it. I probably should have showed you what I looked like in the window before, but you can see I'm just, you know, like my under eye circles are still a little bit there, you know, little acne spots or scarring or whatever, but this is kind of just literally the easiest makeup look I could think of and come up with. And it takes a couple minutes and you're out the door. I had done, with the Productivity Zone, we did a blog series of 2, 5, and 10-minute makeup tutorials and how-tos, and those are on my blog as well as hers if you want to check them out on my website. But I feel like this is even easier than the 2-minute one that I did. So hope you guys enjoyed, hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys later. Bye!